Hello, I'm Mensa Augustine, and I welcome you to my channel. In this lesson, we'll be solving this nice maths Olympiad algebra problem. So let's see how we do this in a very simple way. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comment for us to grow the mathematics community. Okay, so we have to solve for a, given that a power 4 equals into bracket a minus 4 all power 4. So let's see how we do this in a very simple way. So you just take this one as a power 4 minus a minus 4 power 4 equals 0. We group this way. Wow. You're not going to take a fourth root of both sides, right? Because we need some possible solutions of a, since we have a power 4. Now, we write this one as a squared times 2 minus into a minus 4 power 2 times 2 equals 0. Wow. So this gonna give us a power 2 minus a minus 4 power 2 equals 0. Wow. This is because from the laws of exponents, if I have a power m times n, the same as a power m power n. That is, I can factorize one of the powers out. Thus, I've raised a power to a power. So here, I factorize one of the twos out. Now, this is a standard expression. That is difference of two squares. Remember, if you have x squared minus y squared, is x plus y times x minus y. So this is going to be a squared minus a minus 4 squared. Remember, you can bring the minus here or anyone first. So I brought the minus first. Times a squared plus a minus 4 equals 0. Now, we equate each of the terms to 0. That's each of the factors to 0. So we have a squared minus into a minus 4 squared equals 0. This is 1. And we have a squared plus a minus 4 squared equals 0. This is also another equation. So let's solve each of the equations, right? Now let's take this one first. We have a squared minus, this gives a squared minus 8a plus 16 equals 0. I hope you can expand this one, right? That's good. So this one, if we expand, we're going to have a squared minus a squared out. Minus times this gives positive 8a. Minus times this gives minus 16 equals 0. So we're going to have this as 8a equals 16. A equals 16 divided by 8. That is 2 in a very simple way. So if we proceed with this equation, we're going to get a equals 2. So let's put that one here. You have a equals 2. Now it has left with this equation. Let us see if we proceed by that one too. Wow. So you're going to look at this way. Let me clean this one off. So if I take a squared plus, we've expanded this one already. That is what I've just cleaned. We had a squared minus 8a plus 16. Then this one, if we multiply through by the positive, we are still going to get each of the terms maintained. So this will give me a squared plus a squared, that is 2a squared, minus 8a plus 16 equals 0. Wow. This is what I mean. If you multiply through by the positive, the terms will maintain their sign. So there's no need. We just add a squared to a squared and we get this. Now, this is also a quadratic equation. We can solve this by completing the square by formula, but I don't think we can factorize this. But we can reduce by dividing through by 2 to get a squared minus 4a plus a equals 0. Wow. Now, I don't want to use the quadratic formula. Let us solve by completing the square. So let's do that one by completing the square. So if we want to complete the square for this, here is positive 1. So we just take half of the coefficient here. So we take minus 4 times half. That gives minus 2. Then we square this. So we're going to get a squared minus 4a plus minus 2 squared, because we take this 8 to this side, get negative 8 plus minus 2 squared. Okay, so this is going to give us a minus 2 squared equals negative 8 plus 4. And this is going to give us a minus 2 squared equals minus 4. If we take square root of both sides, we get a minus 2 equals plus or minus square root of minus 4, which is going to give us a minus, right? A equals 2 plus or minus 2i, because square root of 4 is 2 and square root of negative 1 is I. So we are in the complex world. Wow. So this is very simple. We are done, right? That's all. That's all. So we get a equals 2 plus 2i, a equals 2 minus 2i, and the first one we have a equals 2. So these are the possible values of a. So we have a equals 2 plus I, a equals 2 minus I in the complex world, and we have a equal to 2 as the real number. So that is it in a very simple way. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments.